It's been fantastic. Right now we're shooting in the Ashwakam Dargah. Absolutely fantastic place. We've got 240 extras. Look at the scenery. It's absolutely outstanding. We're on the outskirts of Anantnag. It's such a beautiful place, Kashmir. I want people to come to Kashmir not only for shoot but also for a holiday, to see what a beautiful place this is. We've had a great welcome here. The Kashmiri people are absolutely fantastic. Everybody wants to work. They want to work, and they just want to be happy working, and they're always smiling. So I encourage as many people to come here as possible. But when you come here, just don't dirty the place and throw plastic, because it's such a beautiful, beautiful place. It has to be kept clean, and that's my only advice to everyone. But please come to Kashmir. It's fantastic.